Put some effort in and you'll get a lot of rewards back. That story again. We put some effort in, we get a lot of rewards back. The key bit of effort is preparation. So normally you can just rock up to a workshop, kind of ill-prepared, kind of not knowing what the subject is, and you've got that, I guess, that assurance that the person there running the workshop will go through and explain it. If you think about it, that's not even that great, because for the other 80% that have actually put the effort in, they're going through recapping and so on. So with the eWorkshop, what we're saying is we can get everyone to a common level and then we can move further. So it enables us to get through things a lot quicker and we can get deeper into the subject matter, which is excellent for people. Let's do a little plan for our eWorkshops. So your eWorkshops have a series of different sessions. All right, let's call these sessions 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and these are spaced out arbitrarily. For a lot of our programs, it doesn't really matter which order you do them in. And the good thing is often, you know, concurrent with your schedule, there's some other eWorkshops going on. So if you miss this session, you might be able to catch up with it, you know, when the next sort of iterations run. So you do retain that flexibility. How to make this really work for you? All right. Let's say we've got a session here on how to make a schedule. I'm actually running that tomorrow, so coincidentally, I'm going to focus on that. The session's pretty much how to make a schedule. The outcome I want from this really is enabling participants to make their own schedule. I could start from the very basics, talk about time management and go through and really do a lecture style things to get people up to speed, give them the underpinning knowledge. What I'd love to do is jump straight into the practical. Ask you what your questions are, get straight into the meaty stuff, because then I can achieve the outcome that I want you guys to get from this. What helps me doing this is, prior to that, if people actually have gone through and done the pre-reading. And this isn't pre-boring reading in the conventional sense, no. This is fun stuff. This is e-learning packages, these are videos, these are sort of problem-based questions. This is stuff designed to really engage you, just like we would have done in a workshop. To be fair, this is the stuff that we've kind of captured and said, well look, before they get to this point, it'd be really good if they understood that really well, then they'll get value from here. So you've done that, great. And this stuff also might include some of your assessments as well, so you're having a win there. After the workshop or even during the workshop, you know, we can actually give you the case studies, the questions, and you can actually apply what you're doing in the workshop to your assessments. So if we think about a logical step, 1, do the preparation, do the e-learning before your workshop. Number 2, you'll get a lot more out of your workshop. And number 3, you'll have some post-course assessments to do. If you kind of copy and paste this model prior to the next session, your life is going to be awesome. And I know there's some of you that maybe are less experienced that this may not work that well for. Oh, my hand is blue. I'm turning into a Smurf doing these videos. So some of you less experienced people, this might be a bit hard, but you know, there's no reason why we can't do the assessments further up. But if you're working in the field, if you've got the experience, smash out your assessment before the next module. Your life looks really good because by the time you get to the last session, you've only got a little bit of assessments to do and you've completed the course. Congratulations.